How to use QR code sharing for Wi-Fi password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use QR code sharing for Wi-Fi password. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So you can use your QR code for sharing your Wi-Fi by generating a code from your connected network settings. So what you'll need to do is open up your settings, go to your connections or your network and internet, then tap on your internet option. And after you're here, you can see your Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. And there you'll see the share button for the QR. Now, some devices do not support the QR option and they do not share using the QR. They do not generate the code itself. So if you don't see it, that means that your phone might not have it. So what you'll need to do is tap on the share button, verify using your password, and then you can let a guest or anyone else can scan it with their phone's camera to auto connect. This will eliminate the use of manual password entry altogether. And yeah, it's that simple, and that is all for today's video. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.